The final type of equation we're going to look at this week is solving equations with variables on both sides. So in the discussion board, we posed this question. Would you prefer to move 5x to the left side or 2x to the right side? And why? So for me, I'm excited to read your answers. For me personally, I really don't like negative numbers if I can avoid them. So if I see the 5x is bigger than the 2x, I'm going to move the 2x to be with the 5x so that I don't get a negative number. So I'm going to do a minus 2x because 2 minus 2 is 0, and then subtract 2x here. Notice I did it to the 5x and not to the 6 because these are like terms. So when you do move these around, make sure you're moving the terms to be with their like terms. So 2 minus 2 is 0. We're left with 3 on the left side. 5x minus 2x is 3x. So the x's stay the same, just like when we combine like terms. The variables don't change, you're just changing the numbers in front of them. Now our goal is to get x by itself. So just like normal, if I see a minus 6, I'm going to do the opposite, which is plus 6. So negative 6 plus 6 is 0. 3 plus 6 is 9. And if I divide by 3, I get x equals 3. And then if I wanted to check my answer, I could take 3 and plug it in on both sides of the equation. So 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 times 5 is 15, 15 minus 6 is also 9. So we know we got the correct answer. Let's just check out a few other examples. So looking at this one, I see that 2x is smaller than 3x, so I'm going to move the smaller term. So I'm going to do minus 2x because 2x is a positive, so 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1, so I could write it as 1x, but 1x is the exact same thing as just an x. So I'm just going to leave it as an x. And because this minus was in front of the 5, now it looks more like a negative 5, but make sure you keep that minus sign with the 5. So finally, to get x by itself, we're going to subtract 2. So negative 5 minus 2 is negative 7. And the last one, this one involves distributing and moving around variables. So make sure you distribute first on both sides. So we get 3x minus 6 equals 4 minus 4x. So negative 4 is smaller than a positive 3, so I'm going to move the 4. So I'm going to do plus 4x, because negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So we get 7x minus 6 equals 4. Add 6 to both sides. 7x equals 10. So it looks like we're going to get a fraction for this answer. So x is going to equal 10 over 7. So then if you want to check that answer, you could plug it back into your x's to make sure that we did it correctly.